Discover the powerhouse of vertical machining, our machines engineered for heavy-duty precision. Turning up to E1600 millimeters, swinging to E1650 millimeters, and built to carry 8,000 kilograms. The 1400 millimeter table runs at up to 230 RPM with stepless speed control. Its milling spindle delivers 2,000 revolutions per minute, 15 kilowatts, and uses a BT50 taper for powerful cutting. With 16,000 Newton meters of torque, it handles the toughest jobs with ease. Full process machining in one setup. Faster, smarter. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metal working solutions.